Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to stop TinyTask Playback, especially if it's stuck on continuous loop and you can't move your mouse. So, let's say you recorded a macro, maybe some clicks, and you hit play. But if you accidentally enabled continuous playback, TinyTask will keep looping and your mouse might get stuck. Don't worry, stopping it is actually super simple. Here's what you do. Before running your macro, click on Preferences in TinyTask, then look for Playback Hotkey. This is the shortcut that lets you start or stop playback anytime. By default, it's Control plus Shift plus Alt plus P, but that's a bit complicated, so I recommend changing it to something easier, like F8, F12, or even print screen if those keys aren't used by anything else. Once you've set your preferred hotkey, go ahead and play your macro. Now, whenever you need to stop playback, just press your chosen hotkey. For example, I set mine to F8, and pressing it instantly stops TinyTask, letting me move my mouse again. If I press F8 once more, playback starts again, and if I hit it again, it stops. And that's it. That's how you stop TinyTask Playback easily, even if it's stuck in a loop. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.